Hello, welcome to today's video where we learn how to create a JavaScript program to convert a number of minutes into hours and minutes format. Let's jump right in. Our task is simple but practical. Take a number of minutes as input, split it into hours and remaining minutes, and format the result as hours and minutes. This is the core of our program. The time convert function calculates the hours by dividing the input by 60 and rounding down. It then uses modulo to find the remaining minutes and finally formats the result as a string. Let's break this down. First, we'll calculate the total hours by dividing the number of minutes by 60 and rounding down. Next, we find the remainder using modulo, which gives us the remaining minutes. Finally, we combine these values as a formatted string. In this example, 71 minutes are divided into 1 hour and 11 minutes. The function returns 1:11 as the result. For an input of 450 minutes, the function calculates 7 hours and 30 minutes, outputting the result as 7:30. Here's another example. 1441 minutes converts to 24 hours and 1 minute, formatted as 24:1. This highlights how the function handles larger numbers. Here's the ES6 version of the function. We use an arrow function for conciseness and template literals to format the output. This approach aligns with modern JavaScript practices. To summarize, we use simple mathematical operations and string manipulation to break down minutes into readable time format. This function is not only useful, but also a great example of solving real-world problems using JavaScript. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. Happy coding!